Well, we're starting to look like a village now. Added some of the houses onto the platform last night. I'll explain to you in a second what my overall thought process is on this build back here. I also put down styrofoam bases on the tables base that needed it. So at the end of the train tunnel underneath the track, I put 2 pieces. In front of the train tunnel, I added a piece. And then the entrance into the train tunnel the track needed some stability, so I added a couple pieces there. So all the tables have been fitted with my 1.5-inch thick styrofoam base. That base is going to act as a way for me to hide all of my cords as well. So my overall thought process on this platform build. At the beginning of summer, we went to Tennessee. It was the first time I ever seen the Smoky Mountains. So I thought they were beautiful. And I told my husband, I'm like, you know what? I think the village needs a mountain. So that is what my thought process is back here, is to turn this platform into a mountain somehow. I have a couple ideas on how to make a facade to go onto the structure. I think I want to do a little bit more research before I tackle that. And before I can even start that, I need to figure out if these houses are the only houses that I want, or if I want more houses. I definitely have room for more houses. So at the end, I definitely have a couple places for smaller houses. And I do have to put down styrofoam on that back structure part because it doesn't have a top to it. And that little section there, I don't have any more room for houses. This section, I could possibly add another house depending on the size of the house. I mean, if it's small like that white one, I definitely could. And I'm also thinking of switching those 2 around. This top one, I could slide the Smoky Mountain Retreat over one way or the other and then add a piece there, but I don't know if I want to. And I don't know how many houses that I have that would fit with my mountain theme that I got going on with the houses here. I did add those back houses. I did set them on some styrofoam just to see if I liked it. And so far I am liking those different heights. So if I continue to like that, I'm just gonna glue those pieces together and then carve them to give them that mountain look. I do still need to do my electrical. I need to put the light cords in and then drop them down behind. I think I'm kind of like avoiding that. I don't know why. It's just one of those things that I don't find fun, so I'm gonna avoid it probably is what it is. So since I have more room, definitely have room at this end, I need to figure out what other houses I can add. I do have a few pieces that I have out right now, like my Rock Creek mill house. I was thinking about adding that on. Last year I had it at the top of my end tunnel, and I had carved like a little river going down into a pond, but I don't think I want it on the mountain itself this year. I think I want it lower. So I'm not gonna put that one up there. And then I have over here, I have Nick's Tree Farm. I also have to build my end tunnel that kind of slopes out, and that's where I like to put him. So I still have that to build, and then I'll be able to add him. And then I have the warming house, and then the J. Young mill house as well. I don't know if I want to add those. I don't know where I want to add those. So I kind of have those just setting out. But what I'm thinking I might do is just go ahead and pull out all of my totes and add the houses, just put them on the tables, and then kind of go in, you know, like maybe this is the farm section, and then part of the town, I don't know, kind of section it out in little groups and put the houses in those sections of where I want them. So that might be what I do. And then this church, I got about a month ago is what it is now. Found it on Facebook Marketplace, got it for like $30. A lady was selling it for her aunt that collected, and her aunt was going to nursing home. She's like, I don't know, I don't remember ever seeing it. And it looks like it was pretty much new in the box. So all the pieces to it is still there. The snow isn't even open. So this piece I'm thinking needs to be in a special location in the village this year. Definitely a piece that I'm gonna cherish. So that church makes 3 churches for my village. So I could put a church on each table. So that's kind of where I'm at with the village build today.